Diversity. Miss Diversity.
3.
Diversity. Miss Diversity.
3.
Diversity. Miss Diversity.
3.
Diversity. Miss Diversity.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Miss Diversity coming at ya.
Hola, welcome back to T&leet.v.
We are double filming y'all. Woo-woo.
So you'll get it from both ways.
Yes, ma'am.
Hope my camera don't cut off. I think I only got 13 minutes on mine, so I gotta make this snappy.
Oh, we gonna do it snappy, honey.
Well, no, with mine, I can end mine and then we can get to yours. Yeah. So if they want to see the rest, they gotta come over here.
All right then.
Yeah. So today we're doing a Chinese food mukbang.
Chinese food feast mukbang.
It looks so delicious. So let's go ahead and give thanks and bless our food. We don't have to do it out loud if we want to.
No, we're doing it here. Right.
Yeah. Amen. Alrighty, so on the menu today we have
boneless spare ribs.
Boneless spare ribs. You got some stuff over there. House fried rice.
No peas and carrots.
No peas and carrots.
Beef lo mein.
Yum yum yum.
Yum yum, eat some.
Oh, we got the soup.
Okay, yes, ma'am. Let's try not to spill it, okay?
Yeah, it's gonna spill good.
Oh Lord. Can y'all see that? Egg drop soupy.
Egg
Probably
drop
bit
soup.
on yours.
Egg drop soup.
And some chicken wings.
Crab ragoon.
Yeah, crab ragoon.
Okay.
I call them cream cheese fried wontons.
Cream cheese wonton. That's what I call it. And what are these? I've never seen them like
these. Are spring rolls.
I've never seen them big and fried at a Chinese place.
Spring rolls.
So yeah, that's the feast today. Compliments of my lovely sissy.
Thank you. Of course, I got my hot oil on deck.
My head cough.
And some hot sauce. We can put it up some.
Oh no, it's okay. I was just saying.
Some hot sauce. I got my hot. Of course, I have some hot sauce. Got Louisiana today.
You won't see the lower part of my head in this video.
So that means you got to swing over.
You
got to swing over to each channel.
Yeah.
You got to channel hot, baby. And
I'm sorry, y'all. We can't see the food, but I had to do like a little bootleg setup or whatever.
Hey,
so that's why I showed it to you. I'll show you on the plate.
Like I always say, bootleg is what I do, boo. I do that best. And this one I'm drinking on, y'all. The Lambrusco today. I'm about to pop this chill.
Can you get me my cup? It's 2 cups in the freezer. Can you give it to me?
Oh yeah, can I have my water?
Yes.
I got some water too. Always stay hydrated.
Is your water in the fridge?
Yeah, which water is it? I don't want any water cup.
Yeah. Uh-oh. You okay?
What was that?
It was the wine bottle. It just tipped over. It didn't fall.
Oh.
Okay. No spilling alcohol.
No spilly alcohol.
No.
So we're gonna go ahead and just make our plates.
Yes, ma'am.
While she pour that good stuff.
Yes, man, that good. I got 3 things. I got wine today. I've got
yes
water.
That's what I'm going to be using.
And I've also got a little tea.
Yes. So I just have water and tea, y'all. That's what
I'm always saying I'm tired, but I do be tired. So you see, I be running like a slave with free papers.
Free papers.
Sissy see it. Sissy see it.
Here you go. Pass you these.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
You know what?
I'm gonna show you my plate.
I'm not gonna do the swine today, so you can keep it over there.
You're not.
I'm not gonna do it today.
You're not gonna. Oh, the swine. I thought you said this wine.
The swine. Oh no, I'm gonna do the wine.
That's what I was like. Looks like you're already sipping.
I'm gonna do the wine, just not the swine.
Oh, wine.
Do the wine,
no swine.
the swine.
Okay.
Yeah, I try to cut back on the swine.
Well, you're not gonna eat this rice then.
That's why I don't want that, because there's some in there.
Oh, because it's some in here.
Okay. Yeah, ma'am.
Here you go. Can I have a little bit of beef broccoli?
You sure can.
Could I see?
You said beef and broccoli.
What is this?
Beef lo mein.
But I thought it was beef broccoli lomein.
They got a beef broccoli lo mein?
I don't know. That's what I thought it was.
I think it's just beef and broccoli.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, I don't get it. So I don't know.
I think it's beef and broccoli. And I will have me a chicken.
I'm gonna have me a chicken.
Why I got so many spoons? Is one of yours? Oh, it was in the rice. Duh.
I like that. I don't know. Here you go.
Excuse me. I don't know if I'm gonna. No, I'm not gonna have any of that.
You're not gonna have any of this.
What, the beef
Yeah.
lomein?
Mm-hmm.
No, I'm not gonna have any of that.
Okay.
I'm gonna get this. Oh, I ain't got no shrimpy in my rice. I guess I ain't putting them in there. It's okay. It's cool. It's cool.
And then I want to taste this beautifulness here.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to still one of your duck sauce. Maybe I'll dip it in the.
So this is what it looks like, y'all. I'm gonna bring y'all over here to me. Can y'all see?
My plate's a little skimpy.
I'm gonna bring it over. Oh yeah, the chicken wing. I didn't get any chicken wing.
Mine's a little skimpy, but I'll probably get some more because I'm eating this soup too.
Yeah.
Egg drop soup.
So I'm gonna also
shout out to Hunan Walk. They are always so wonderful, so marvelous to me. Shout out to Hunan Walk. Even though I moved away from them, I still dine with them. I would not deter unless I move out of here. They are compensated though. For their time.
Never nephew.
You sure can.
Thank you.
You know.
All right, y'all. So I'm sorry y'all can't see my food.
I like your camera.
But here it is right here. There's a better view of the food.
Oh,
I don't know how it looked when I showed it, but there's a better view. It looks good. I wish there was somewhere I can like set this up on top so I can set it up higher so they can see me.
We can try a box.
Yeah, we can try that. I go. I know my be told us, but
here.
Okay.
You want another box?
Sure. Thank you. Is that better, y'all? Am I covered?
You come like by the wang.
Okay.
You come by the wang.
Excuse the box over
y'all
here.
Can't see mine.
But I just want to.
Oh, she can see the bag. See the box over there.
Yeah. I kind of want to show y'all. They're like, where?
Hey, like I said, bootleg is what I do.
So then we have the
it's
sweet
real.
and sour sauce. It is, y'all. We trying to make sure y'all can
it's
see
real.
food.
You know I didn't get any soy sauce. It's gonna be alright. I'm not gonna bother them babies.
Oh, I didn't know you soy sauce on it.
Yeah, I do. Can I bother one? We always bothering the children. Nay, I'll call one of mine. Yeah. Nay, can I have some soy sauce, please? Ooh, I got some sauce on that box.
That.
Nay.
Oh, their duck sauce looks pink, almost like a pink.
Oh, the girls.
I know the girls are knocking the food over.
The girls trying to play. I don't want to reach over your food.
Oh, you don't use
I like this.
the packaged one.
No, I like this better.
Remember I told you
go
with
with
the
the
means? That's what I was talking about.
Oh yeah.
It's the one with the bigger shell.
Oh.
They look almost the same, identical.
Oh yeah.
I always get the one with the. That's why I was like, I like the one with the cinnamon. Oh, that was Inea I was talking to.
Yeah, I think it's this one. Why?
Because I was like, no, I wasn't talking to you. I was talking to Inea about it. We were talking about soy sauce. She said how much she loved it, and I told her the place that we go to. One has a skinny man, one has a fat man, and I like the one skinny man. Mine is going by fast.
I'm tired.
Yeah, I'm saying mine's about to full up. Or fill up. This is gonna be short, y'all. On mine.
Am I still on your dust sauce, girl?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna take. Those are the lights. No, it's gonna. Yes, I do carry takeout. I have takeout containers, y'all, because I sell plates. Hit me up. It's good, I know. The boneless spare rib. This spring roll, y'all.
What kind of spring roll is that?
Shrimp. Did you get one?
I've never seen them sell like this. Not outside of like a buffet or something.
Yeah.
And it's usually vegetable when
They
it's
have
bigger.
They have a vegetable one and shrimp one.
Hunan Wok. I like it.
Nah. What's my name? Nah. What's my name? Yeah.
I approve you.
You know what I like to do? They know I got my hot oil. They know I gotta have my hot oil. If they don't have my hot oil, I'll be having a big.
Oh, really?
They gave me two. One time they gave me a big one like this size. I like to take my hot oil. I'm gonna show it for both of y'all.
And put more hot sauce in it.
Don't take that chicken.
This is for my home.
Pouring out that oil for my homies.
Mm-hmm.
I like to put more hot sauce in there. Because it changes the flavor. Come on, y'all. Y'all know I'm
Makes it more vinegary.
Yes.
Keisha's a hot fiend. I want her and Lee to do a challenge. A spicy challenge. I really do.
Come on, bro.
Like a real spicy one.
All right, let's do it.
And see how y'all both react. That's going to be hilarious. He going to be dripping. You going to be sniffing.
Okay. Blinking.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, mix it up. I poured it out for the homies.
Mm-hmm.
The ancestors got some hot oil on deck. And then...
Ain't the youngest. You can't forget the youngest, Booker.
Booker said, I don't want that.
Why?
Yeah.
She crazy.
It's hot. Look at my number one, girl. It's good, huh? I like the flavor.
Of what?
Of the wings.
I'm trying to hold my plate still.
I see. Girl, put that plate down.
I'm almost done.
Oh.
Y'all, this is going to be really short because I'm coming from my phone. And, my recording time is running out. So I'm going to record until it go off. So don't forget to thumbs up this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, please. T&leet.tv. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Miss Diversity 3. Yes, please. Please don't forget. You will not regret it because she does amazing mukbangs. My sister, I love it. No.
I like y'all. That got me started.
She does really good. And she just started and she's already knocking it out the park. So that's how you know she's good. So don't forget to subscribe to her channel because you will not regret it. She has a beautiful channel and a beautiful spirit. So
do you.
Yes,
don't make
definitely.
me cry now.
No crying over Chinese.
You said don't listen to middle stuff.
No, I'm just saying. I'm just telling them why they should come over. Why they
about to get ugly.
No get ugly. No ugly.
All right, I got the hot sauce. I'm gonna put some. Let me go ahead and stuff my face for the tears. Should open up the damn.
Her description will be in the link below, y'all. I don't know where I'm looking. I'm probably not even looking at y'all. I'm sorry.
Her description will be in my link below, most definitely.
So this is about to cut off in like a minute or so. So what?
Look.
I always make a mess, so they know I make a mess.
Well, now y'all know where to focus. Focus on the dot.
What do we be doing? I don't know.
Oh, excuse me. Get burgers. I'm gonna put some hot oil in here too.
I love y'all. See y'all next time. So we'll eat to the end.
All right. Yes, we will. Yes, we will. We will enjoy. Thank you. Yes, we will enjoy. Thank you. I like it. Oh, I was just saying you want to taste it, but I don't.
Oh, I did. But
I'm sorry.
Oh, it's fine.
You want to taste it like this? Oh, okay. Look at your spoon. Oh, it's a spoon right here.
This place is really good, y'all. And y'all know me. When I say something is really good, it has to be what? Really good. Because I can't stop saying it.
I'm sorry, I don't hot sauce it.
Oh, it's okay. I want a little spice in my life.
Okay. All right, get a little spice in your life, baby. It's like egg.
Yeah. Egg soup.
I like lemon. Lemon because it's so rich.
Every time I see soup, I think of lemon to add. I do.
It's better when it's hotter. It needs to be a little hotter.
Mine might run out.
Juices, y'all. Over there. Y'all stay tuned.
Look at it blinking.
We ain't done.
Like, we're turning off! Bye!
Yeah, it's making. Dot. Like my dot.
See? Maximum recording reach.
You got a good limp in there.
Yeah, I do.
You want to put your broccoli back? All right. Y'all already know over here. I bootleg all the time. That's just what I do.
Not back to our regular schedule program.
It's good.
We didn't get any tea.
I got some tea.
Oh, I didn't.
You told her to bring your tea.
I said bring my cup.
It's actually good. I ain't gotta dilute this. It must dilute it with ice.
Yeah.
So I'm like, I gotta dilute.
Oh, what's good?
Watch your phone.
I know. See. Never starve.
Mm-hmm.
I have a lot of ice in here already, so. So yeah, I have tea.
Because I don't want to touch your straw.
Okay.
So I got stuff on my hands and do one that's already covered.
Okay. I have tea and then I have agua. Yum, yum, yum. Really good.
So what'd you do when I was at Dominic's practice?
When?
Earlier when I left for Dominic's
I was
practice.
asleep.
Oh. Don't do that. I thought you got up at some point. Oh, my bad.
Because I stayed up late and then I got up and then I wasn't done.
Oh yes, we know you stayed up late. Well, I know you stayed up late.
I know I wasn't done, and yeah, Keisha woke up like,
Yes, like they said, I don't know if I told y'all, they call me the Splice, the movie Splice. When my sleep is interrupted, she come out.
I thought we were doing good because she hadn't came out yet. Boy, was I wrong. I just like turned around and seen her spinning. Like Jason. Because her voice was going, so she was just like, I didn't understand that part, but she was just, I was like, oh, okay, y'all be quiet.
I was so tired.
I originally was so tired, but I woke up.
You had got your second win.
Mm-hmm.
This food good.
And I enjoyed talking to, like, I love talking to my daughter and my niece. It was just, I don't know, it was really good. It was like bonding. That's how I felt.
My aunt kind of covering my thing. God, I got full.
You did?
Yeah. Making me mad. Because normally, like, 30 minutes later, I'll be back eating, and here eating again, but I'm kind of tired, so I might
go to bed.
get laid out with the baby. But it is okay. I will wrap up the food, and I will come back. And I will never get your food. I will eat you.
Let me try the spring roll. It's still nice and hot.
Oh.
Let me try this. When you ordered this spring roll, I thought it was going to be like the one in the cellophane. The clear.
Talking about the Vietnamese spring roll.
Oh, yeah.
And the Chinese spring roll and the Vietnamese spring roll are different. Just like the Cambodian spring roll was. Or maybe they call them egg rolls. No, maybe spring roll. Anyway, cream cheese out one time. Oh, gotta give him some love.
I like it too. I like to dip it in the sweet and sour sauce.
Should we listen to the show while I spit on it? Listen to the show.
The sweet and sour? Oh, yeah.
Well, I guess y'all all know what a sweet and sour.
Yeah, sweet and sour is just red. See?
I'm gonna finish you, chicken. I'm gonna finish you.
I haven't even tasted chicken.
It's too much food. It's a lot of food.
That's a lot.
Like we said, Chinese food feast, and y'all know I don't waste, so it's gonna get ate. And don't worry, we're feeding the kids. We ain't starving the kids.
They ate first.
Yes.
Before we eat them.
Correct. That part. Before we took our portion, we made sure they got theirs. I'm so happy my sissy's staying longer. Thank you, Lee.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, y'all. They're gonna be like,
It's all a little. So there will be more mukbangs to come. I gotta enunciate the bang.
You don't. You don't have to if you say bang.
She said I said mukbang.
She does.
I said bang, but I don't. My lips were so fast. I said mukbang. I'm saying bang. Ow!
It's okay. It's not serious.
I'm not saying, if I say mukbang, I'll say bomb.
But you don't say bomb. You just say mukbang.
Mukbang. I'm saying bong.
This don't sound like it.
Oh, maybe it don't sound like I am saying bong.
Yeah, I was teasing her because I told her she says mukbang. But if you watch the video, that's what it looked like. If I read your lips, I would think you were saying.
Yeah, the little caption probably do say I said mukbang.
That's what it sounds like. I mean, I know you know what it is.
What? She bought what? Shut her down!
But like that's not like uncommon. A lot of people do that. A good amount of people do that. Like, you know, with certain letters, they pronounce it differently.
Mm-hmm.
They just do. I think it's kind of cute. Honestly.
I need to over-announce everything. Like speech class. You remember? Oh, you didn't have to go to speech therapy.
Yes, I did.
You did?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah, because of the scrawl. The screet?
No.
Why'd you have to go? Why'd you have to go?
I never.
Scroller.
Never. I never talk like that. I'm not just trying to hate, but I don't talk like that.
In your backyard.
I couldn't say chip.
Potato ship. That I couldn't either.
I said ship.
I said ship. Me too.
Never said screet. Now come on now.
I said ship too. I had to do that.
I said ship. I couldn't say potato
A shriek. Mm-hmm. I couldn't say that. And then
I took speech because I couldn't say chip or like champion or nothing CH. I couldn't pronounce that correct. I would say ship.
Down in Miami, Florida. Shout out to Olinda Elementary.
Mm-hmm.
You remember the song?
Olinda will be faithful and true. And through the years that follow, we'll remember you.
And I used to go, teacher like the ruler, try to get the ruler.
Mm-hmm.
That's back when they used to be able to spank the kids with the rulers.
But I didn't take speech until Bel Air.
I took speech in Olinda.
Mm-hmm.
I took it in Bel Air too. We reminiscing, y'all. She said I had a lazy tongue.
I don't know what they told me I had. I just couldn't pronounce that right.
But you know, a lot of Hispanics say ships. Don't pronounce it CH.
Because that's their second language.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. But I didn't have that language.
I just grew up around it.
That's what I'm saying. Okay, maybe. It was just a lot of Hispanics.
A lot of Latinos.
Shout
out to my Latino brethren.
Dominican, all of them.
Me encanta mucho.
And they taught us Spanish.
Yep, it did.
In kindergarten.
Mm-hmm. The requirement.
Required to take. To learn Spanish.
Mm-hmm. The rest I just picked up from Screech, y'all.
And the rest I just forgot.
No, it's not funny to think I talk like that for real. Well, if you think I talk like that for real, then obviously you're not watching my videos.
Yes. Because I was like, Screet? Oh, no.
Roller.
Yeah. Scroller. Screet.
Scraw.
Stop it.
Scraw.
Strawberry. Have a strawberry soda?
I think one of my family.
What?
I think one of my family members talk like that.
Who? They say scraw? A lot of people talk like that.
No, I think one of my family members.
Oh.
Close family members.
Maybe.
It is what it is. We all different.
Mm-hmm.
Embrace your love.
Even though that's my pet peeve of mine.
But if you grew up saying it like that.
Yeah, well, I
didn't.
didn't, so
mm-hmm.
when I hear it, it's kind of like, what'd you... Like, really? But
when I came up here to Jacksonville, people said I had an accent. I said, I don't have an accent.
Really?
Mm-hmm. It's an accent. I don't have an accent. But I guess you don't know it. You don't hear it.
Yeah, talk different.
Mm-hmm.
People used to tell me I talk fast.
Yeah. Slow down.
You're talking too fast.
I said, speed up.
You talk fast. I was like, I'm talking fast.
But I know I do, especially when I get upset. So, if I'm excited, oh my God.
You talk fast?
Yes. You really need to translate.
Y'all, we had a great time yesterday. Went to the Juicy Crab with Sharika, Ryan, and Charlotte.
Mm-hmm.
That was fun. Keisha had lost her voice, had to translate for her.
Yep.
Even though I didn't understand what
I was still talking. Can't shut me up. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
All right, I think I'm tapping out. I'm drinking my wine. I think I'm done.
You done tapped out.
You still piddling? What'd you say?
You done tapped out. I'm eating.
You gonna keep playing with that?
That's what we say. We'll eat together. Are you done playing in it?
You finish playing with that?
Okay. These are really good.
The boneless spare ribs.
I like them, but these for some reason are different. Like they're more meatier or something than other restaurants.
Oh, I don't know. I just like ordering from them. I just know, but if I eat it, pork upsets my stomach. If I eat it, then me gonna have some troubles.
Later.
Yeah, and I just didn't want to eat it tonight. Not saying I'm not gonna come back and eat it later on tomorrow. I'm just saying it ain't gonna be late tonight.
Okay.
That's all.
Yeah, this was very delicious. Very delicious. I'm so glad that she knows of this place because all Chinese food is not good. It's not made equal. I'll say that.
Okay. They know me too. I've had them fry me a whole snapper before.
You told me, I remember.
With veggies and everything. See, my sister said I got the gift for what? Gap, the gift for Gap. And so I talk to everybody.
Yeah.
And make friends. I'm just comfortable around a broad spectrum of people. Now, if I don't like you,
you gonna know.
For the most part, I like people. There's some people I don't like, especially fakey bakes.
She said fakey bakes.
I don't like fakey bakes. I don't like fakey bakes. Be you. Be you, do you. And we can get along. Even if you was kind of off-putting, I can deal with real you than fake bake. Because I got some associates and friends that are, they're kind of off-putting people, but that's who they are. I mean, don't be fakey bake. Be yourself.
True, always be yourself. Lesson of the day. Be yourself.
Be yourself.
All right, y'all. This was very delicious.
Yes, it was.
I really enjoyed it. As always, when the camera goes off, I will finish my plate. and that, I'm just kidding. Just kidding, but I will finish my plate.
She really eat that much.
I do.
She be picking.
I like to eat. It just depends on what it is. Like when you taste the feast, you know how you just pick the certain things that you like the most.
I'm just teasing. I'm just teasing.
But yes, guys, thank you so much for joining us. We just love that you came back to see us again.
There will be more to come. My dot. Follow the dot.
Okay.
Follow the dot.
Follow the drip. The hot old drip.
Okay.
But yeah, this is great, and we hope you guys will come join us again. Again, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of all of her upcoming uploads. And mine if you decide to subscribe.
Oh, you will. I know y'all will.
And yeah, we'll see you in the next video.
All right. Like always, if you like what you see, do what she said.
And
until next time, peace, love, and what, niece?
Lots of hair grease.
Deuces.
Deuces.